Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me Kainat Baloch and today I will discuss the topic why you understand English but can't speak it. I am going to fix it step by step. You watch English movies, understand every word, you listen to YouTubers and it all makes sense. But when it's your turn to speak, your brain freezes, words disappear. You understand everything but can't say a thing. Why does this happen? Today, I will fix what's blocking your fluency and how to fix it step by step. This problem happens to millions of learners. You have built listening skills, not speaking. Understanding English is a passive. Speaking English is an active. You can't speak automatically because your brain never practices output, only input. For example, it's like watching people swim every day. You understand how it works. Step first is break the fear barrier. Many learners are afraid of making mistakes, but mistakes are proof that you are trying. Fluency grows when you speak imperfectly, not silently. Example practice, say this daily. I allow myself to speak imperfect English today. Challenge, record a 1-minute voice, not talking about your day even with mistakes. Step second is build speaking reflex. This is a shadowing technique. To speak fluently, your brain must respond automatically. The base method is shadowing. Repeat what you hear instantly. Example, play a YouTube short. How are you doing today? Immediately repeat, how are you doing today? Match tone and rhythm. Do this 30 minutes every day. With a week, your mouth starts moving faster than your thoughts. Step third is convert listening into speaking practice. Don't just listen. Respond to what you hear. Example, when you watch a video, pause and answer aloud. When a speaker says, what would you do if you won $1 million? If I won $1 million, I would travel the world. Speaking activities your brain's output muscles. Step 4 is think in English about your day. Stop translating, start thinking in English. Describe your surrounding or thoughts silently. Example, while cooking, I'm cutting vegetables. While walking, the weather feels warm today. Use real-life thinking to build fluency memory. Step 5 is practice micro-conversation. You don't need long talks, just 2-minute conversation daily. Example, talk to a ChatGPT, AI, chat goals, or apps like HelloTalk, Tandem, or Elsa Speak for quick daily practice. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Step 6 is record yourself weekly. Recording helps you track progress. You will notice pronunciation, confidence, and fluency intro. Example, 1 week, talk about your hobbies. 2nd week, talk about your dreams. 3rd week, talk about your last weekend. When you compare, you will see improvement. Step 7 is speak without thinking too much. Fluency is speed, not grammar. Focus on expressing your ideas, not perfection. Grammar will fix itself with practice. Mini exercise. Choose 1 minute, daily and speak for a 2 minutes without stopping, no matter what. So this was our today's video. If it was informative for you all, then like it and subscribe.